Good morning students, I am Vetri Chelvi from Vetri and Vetri NEET Chemistry. Today I am giving the question for the lesson of ionic equilibrium. It is important topic. We are expecting 3 questions from ionic equilibrium. I am giving all the challenging question of aims. Okay, if you are thorough with this knowledge, you will having confidence to approach the sum. Let us see the question. Question Ka for hydrogen cyanide is 5 into 10 power minus 10 at 25 degrees centigrade. For maintaining a constant pH is equal to 9, the volume of 5m potassium cyanide solution required to be added to 10 ml of 2n hydrogen cyanide solution is. Options are available with the ml. AIMS 2017 question. So this question is having the knowledge of the things, two things are they are mixing. The first chemical is KCN plus another one is called the HCN and KCN. Okay. KCN is the salt and HCN is the acid. You are getting buffer solution with the pH. They are asking now the volume of 5m KCN. So here volume they are asking, and what is the m is given is 5m of your salt solution is given to be added to 10 ml of volume of acid is equal to 10 ml and the concentration of the acid is equal to 2m. Apart from the pH is given, they are asking the volume. Now let us see the apart from that what is it here. Next one is Ka also given. What else is? Ka is given 5 into 10 power minus 10 and pH of the solution is equal to 9. We have to calculate the volume. So now this is the sum. Here let us see one by one. The formula is, what is the formula is pH is equal to pKa plus log of concentration of the salt by concentration of the acid. So I am going to concentrate first to calculate this. To calculate this, the formula is concentration, that is you can see it as usually given as a like molarity. Molarity is equal to number of moles divided by the volume in the ml or liter. If it is ml mean you are calling as a millimole, liter mean you call as a moles. Here everything is the millimole. So here let me take it as a ml. To find out the molarity, what volume we are taking is the total. This is for to calculate the molarity. To calculate the number of moles, that is N is equal to, you bring it on other side, that is M into V. What is this? It is the molarity into volume is in the ml. For this is the number of moles dissolved is own volume, or I can call it as a, this is the individual volume, this is the volume of total. Now let me, I am writing here in each one. For KCN, that is for the salt. For this I am doing it. What is the M is equal to, that I can give us a concentration of the salt is equal to N by V. What is M is molarity. What is the molarity is given? 5 into volume is the question divided by total volume is here. Volume of this is question, we are assuming as a V, and volume of acid is 10. So in here total volume is 10 plus V. This is concentration of salt. Next I am writing concentration of the acid. Acid is equal to same. Concentration is equal to N by V. What is M is M into V. Here for acid the molarity is 2 into its volume is 10 divided by the total volume. What is it? 10 plus V. So now we want the ratio salt divided by acid. So divide. So both the denominator is getting cancelled and what we are getting is 5V by here what we are getting is 2 into 10, that is your 5V by 20 on getting cancelled we can have as a 1 by 4. That is now I am putting here log of concentration of salt by acid. For this one only exclusively I did. This is 1V by 4. That is we can write as a V by 4. So this is your work is over, main work. Remaining part is pKa. What is Ka is given this. What is the pKa is called as a negative log. So write negative log of Ka value is 5 into 10 power minus 10. pH is given, it is the 9. Next we have to go for solution. Let us write one by one. Minus, this is, open the bracket, log 5. We know log 5 is 0.6990. We can take it as a 0.7. So log 5 is 0.7 plus log of 10 power minus 10. We can take it as a minus 10 log. So now right here minus 10, log 10 is become 1. So this is this part, plus here log of V minus log of 4. Log 4 is, you can write as a 2 squared, that is 2 squared, that is 2 into log 2. What is log 2 is 0.3010 into 2. What you are getting is, this is what is called 0.0. Okay, now let us go to the next one. Minus, here 0.7 plus into minus 10. Here plus log V minus of 2 log 2, we got it. 2 log 2 is 0.602. Let me complete this division. Here what is it? 10 minus, there is your minus of 0.7. Okay, 10 is having minus. Okay, now subtract, what you are getting 3, and here what you are having 9. Okay, yes, minus 9.3. So now let me write minus of, here minus 9.3 plus log V minus of 0.602 is equal to 9. You keep log V here itself. You bring everything on the next side. So I am writing here 9. This minus is coming here. So plus 0.602. Then minus into minus plus, which is coming on this side, is become minus 9.3 is equal to log V. So now this one we can do it. This on addition, 9.602 minus of 9.3 is equal to log V. This is on subtraction. Here itself I am doing 602 0.9.3. This is you are getting is, what is it? 3.3. Your answer is 0.302 is equal to log V. Okay, now here what we want is V is equal to anti-log of, what is it? Anti-log of 0.302. Here what is the trick is, for the 2, what is the log is 0.3010. So 2 log is 0 point mean, anti-log this is 2. So this is the understanding. So anti-log of the whole thing is equal to 2. So V is equal to 2. Volume is, we are taking everything in the mm. So now let's go and see the option 2 ml. So this is the answer, AIMS 2017 question. So compare with this, all the knowledge you can expect for 2020. Again I am repeating one by one. Mixing up of acid with the salt. This is I am giving how we can find out the concentration of the salt and the concentration of the acid. Here it is written salt by acid is, I got V by 4. So whole calculation represent here. So now I am substitution. Remaining pKa. Another knowledge is Ka is given. You have to find out negative log of Ka is equal to pKa, that you are putting. After this mathematical calculation, we are getting the answer. If you are doing lot of sum by practice at home, in the examination hall, we can do within 2 minutes. Okay children, now let us go to the next question. Same pattern. Okay, pH of a 0.01 molarity solution with the Ka value is given. So now what is the pH? Okay ma'am, pH calculation is same, but they are asking in other. Okay, let me write what are the things. pH is equal to cosine. Okay, then concentration is given. What is the concentration? 0.01 m of some chemical is given. Okay, and then another data is Ka is given is equal to 6.6 into 10 power minus 4. Now let us go to calculate the pH mean. What is the formula? Negative log of hydrogen ion concentration. Okay, to calculate the hydrogen ion concentration, formula is hydrogen ion is equal to C into alpha. What is alpha is square root of Ka by C. Since Ka is given, based on that I am writing the formula. Now let us substitute the formula. What is Ka value is given? 6.6 into 10 power minus 4 divided by concentration is given. This we can take it as a 10 power minus 2. So now this is getting cancelled where you are having 10 power minus 2 only. Now I am writing here alpha is equal to square root of 6.6 into 10 power minus 2. Next, how you can find out the square root for this? I am giving a simple technique. This I am going to bring it as a 600 square root of 600 you put after 2 decimals 660 into. So now you are multiply by 100, divide by 100. So divide by 100 you are getting minus 2 again. So totally minus 4 you are getting. Now what is it? You can write as a 25 into 25. We know it is a very familiar. Is equal to 625. So square root of 660 I can take it as a 25. So square root of this is 25 into this is square root 10 by 10 to the power of minus 2. It is very simple one only. So this is your alpha. So alpha is ready. Now we have to go for hydrogen concentration. So what is hydrogen ion concentration is C into alpha. That is equal to what is concentration? 0.01. That is nothing but a 10 power minus 2 into alpha is given 25 into 10 power minus 2. So this is your hydrogen ion concentration. That is 25 into 10 power minus 4. Okay, what we want is pH is equal to negative log of hydrogen ion concentration is equal to negative log of your value is 25 into 10 power minus 4. Here each time the 25 we cannot find out. You can bring it as a powers of 5. Very simple number. Okay, now for this I am doing minus, open the bracket, log 25. That you can write as a 5 square. Let me write here. Log 5 square plus log of 10 power minus 4. Now here minus 2 into log 5. We know 2 into log 5. Already I told log 5 is equal to 0.6990. You take as a 0.7. That is enough. 0.7 plus log, this is minus 4 is coming. Okay, now you know of course. Now let us see minus 7 into 2. 1.4 plus into minus 4. Now let us complete this calculation. What is it? What is it called? 4. That is minus here 1.4. Subtract what you are getting is 6, 3. Okay, now you are getting minus. So you are getting minus of minus 2.6. So now 2.6. So the answer is 2.6. This is your hydrogen ion concentration is the answer. Let us go and see the option, children. 2.6. Okay. So this in this question, what are the things are there? pH is, they are asking concentration, no chemical is mentioned. Okay, so I am applying the weak electrolyte, Ka is given. So from the Ka, first you see, to find out pH, you need hydrogen concentration. To find out concentration of hydrogen, you need C alpha. To find out the alpha from the K, you square root of Ka by C. Like that, we should approach the formula. Then substitute. Here I taught you how to find out the square root of 6.6. One simple trick I taught here. This is very important trick. Then afterwards you are one by one substituting and find out the, finally you are getting the answer. Prepare well children, enthusiastic. Thank you.